I'm bringing my stupid gear. This is why I look stupid.
No, it looks cool. Speed's awesome. I think defending is a bit easier.
Well, what did they do to us? They did a really stiff up the right side.
What we have to do is stand in the right places, the choke points where they have trouble coming into us, and we just have to be stationary and shoot them.
Yep. This is gonna work.
All right, so we should have some of us go over there, like 5 of us going to the right side.
Both of us, yeah, should be on the right side. Left side is pretty open.
Hello everybody, this is Al from Combat Team TV and welcome back to more gameplay footage from Siege Airsoft. Today we're playing a game where it's attackers versus defenders, with the attackers trying to deliver a carrying case to the defenders side of the field. I'm playing on the defenders side of the team, so there's not nearly as much action that should be going on because we're defending, so there's not so much of an aggressive push that we can do as defenders. With that said, I hope you all enjoy.
See anything?
I'll also chip in some commentary at some point.
Move up, I got you guys covered. Push up, I got you guys covered.
So a thing I decided to do at Siege Airsoft today was to communicate a lot with my teammates so that they know where the enemies are and, well, just have general information on the field. So I tried to do the best that I can, and it seems to work out pretty well.
Oh, what was it? 2-man bumper or something? No.
I'm gonna be honest, I have no idea where I got shot from that last death, so but I took a hit, so I called it. So my plan during the attackers versus defender is to keep an eye out and do recon on where the enemy positions are, so I can let my teammates know where they're coming from, so they can fight back and keep them from delivering the carrying case, and that's pretty much my plan. Obviously, I hope to get some kills during the game, which I do. And on the note of me like shooting around random places, I don't exactly have my good goggles on me, so my vision was a little blurred during this, and also I'm using a high cap on my MP5K, so shots are, you know, a little inconsistent because I have to keep winding up that wheel. You're not allowed to climb on objects at Siege Airsoft, but because of my tall height, I was able to look over the wall and shoot the enemy, as you've seen, and also communicating with my teammates to know how the situation is going, from I see an enemy, I shot an enemy, and various other things that are very useful to know how the situation is. Definitely recommend communicating more.
Remember to call it dead man walking.
It is very helpful to always let people know that you're dead by saying dead man walking through, so that you don't get shot more than necessary. I gotta say, I do like the new layout changes that Siege Airsoft does every 2 to 3 months. This one in particular is pretty good, except for the kill house location. That was... I don't think it's very good, but the other half of the map is pretty good.
There's one in the bar. Ah, hit. Incoming! They're coming in the middle.
Now, you're gonna see me speed up footage when nothing interesting is going on, just so that we get to the more interesting part quickly, but without you losing context of what's going on as I was playing during the game.
Yes, sir.
Right here is that kill house location I was talking about. I'm not really fond of the placement and location of it. It's just my personal preference. I considered pushing up here, but again, being a defender, you're not supposed to, push up that hard. You're supposed to wait and protect and defend.
I want someone to go up there with me. I'm too scared to go up on the side.
Wait, okay, ahead?
It's going to take under reptile. Oh, someone just broke left.
One left! Run to the rest left!
I know, someone ran to that cover.
They're at the cars! Anything over there?
Yeah, like, there's dudes up there.
Yeah, I know.
I was gonna move up right here, but then I noticed that that tarp in front of me didn't cover the entirety of that fence. Like, it blocked my view, but it didn't cover my legs as well, so I was worried that if I went through there, someone would notice me going through and just shoot me in the leg, so I decided not to push up at this point.
Back up on the left. He's in front. Okay, cover me. Watch this side so I can go. All right, now we're good. Okay, we're good.
So a really funny chain reaction happens here, where the guy in front of me moves up and gets shot by the enemy that I see, and as the enemy shoots them, I shoot them at the same time. It's pretty funny synergy.
Good call. Thank you. I literally saw him shot. Nice try. That was good. Incoming! Right side! Ah, hit! Hit! They're rushing in from the right! Okay, that's enough. I'm gonna move across.
When you have teammates and you're gonna do something, let them know what you're gonna do so they don't accidentally shoot you as you're doing said thing.
I'm moving to the... Alright, thank you! Got one down!
The benefits of keeping your gun up so that when stuff like that happens, you're ready to shoot.
No, but there's someone coming. Ah, I'm being pinned. I'm being... Alright, I got you. Okay, there's nobody over here. Hit! I still died. Friendly fire!
It's always good to check your fire to make sure you don't shoot your teammates. Game's about to end anyways, though, so it kinda didn't matter.
Is it over? Wait, is it over? Ref, is it over?
So yeah, the game ends right there. Kind of got a little confused over there. But regardless, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you liked seeing what you saw there, then I also have other videos that I've made before previously at Siege Airsoft. Check that out and support the channel. This is Al from Combat Team TV, and I'll see you next time in the next Airsoft video.